Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Brawl Stars on Google Chrome. To begin, you will need a specific type of software called an Android emulator. This clever program mimics an Android phone or tablet right on your computer, allowing you to run mobile applications. Installing an emulator is the fundamental step for bringing your favorite mobile games, like Brawl Stars, to a larger screen. It provides a seamless way to enjoy the game with improved controls and graphics on your desktop. Selecting the right emulator is crucial for a smooth gaming experience. BlueStacks is a widely recognized choice, known for its strong performance and broad game compatibility. LD Player also offers excellent speed and features tailored specifically for mobile gaming. Ensure your chosen emulator supports Google Play services, which is essential for accessing and installing Brawl Stars. Once you have chosen your emulator, download the installer file from its official website. The installation process typically takes only a few minutes. Simply follow the clear on-screen prompts. After installation, launch the emulator and complete the initial setup, which includes signing in with your Google account. This step links your virtual device to the Google Play Store, just like a real Android phone. With your emulator set up, navigate to the Google Play Store inside the virtual environment. Search for Brawl Stars and click Install to download the game directly to your virtual device. Before playing, consider adjusting performance settings, like dedicating at least 4 GB of RAM to the emulator for smoother gameplay. Now, you are ready to enjoy Brawl Stars on your Google Chrome browser with enhanced controls and a larger view.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.